Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. So in this video I will show you how you can install WordPress locally. So this is the easiest way. So you can use this software and you can install WordPress in your local easily. So if you use Mac or Windows, doesn't matter, you can do it easily. Okay, so first of all you can just directly go to this website like local WP, or you can search it just in local or local WP. You will see this website. So from here you can just download this. So download it in your computer and install it like a normal software or regular software. So I am not going to show you this. I just installed it and I used it before, that's why I have 2-3 websites here. And you will see here like empty. So you just can click here, or here will be option, I think I just forgot. So just click here and create a new website. So if you have like install any security software in your PC, you should disable it, otherwise you will not able to like create a new website. It can be a problem. So just create a new website, continue, and you can just give a name like a test web site 0. Okay, so then preferred or custom, you can just go with preferred. So like do not just go with preferred, no need to select anything, just go with preferred. Then here you can type your like a WordPress username. So you will need it to log in your WordPress website. So I'm just giving it admin for now, and you can put your email here also. So here is advanced option like select language. Is there any WordPress multi-site? So we don't need. Now it's creating. Just wait for some time. It will ask for permission. Just give it. Okay, so our website is created, you can see, and it's already like started. So we can just stop it, and when you will come again in this software, you will see this is just stopped. Site is stopped. You have to start it from here. Okay, just start the site, and you can just open the site or WP admin. So I'm going to WP admin. So it will come to here, and I'm putting my username and password. So it's in local, so that's why easy username and password I put. So for the first time it will be little bit slow. Okay, so here you can see, so it is our WordPress dashboard. We just logged in and it's in local. Okay, so this is how you can install WordPress locally using this method. In the next video I will give you a WordPress dashboard tour. So I will show how this works. So see you in the next video. Thanks.